Hi guys, let's try a quick recipe restaurant style Paneer Burji. Take a pan and add some oil and clarified butter. Let it heat up for some time. Then add chopped onions. Here I am using 2 onions. Saute onion for 2 to 3 minutes and let it be translucent. See how beautiful it's looking. Now add ginger, garlic and green chili paste and again saute it for some time. Now add some Kashmiri red chili powder for a good color. Saute it again. Now add tomato puree. I'm using puree of 3 tomatoes. Make sure tomatoes are perfectly ripe and rich in color. It will give good texture to your vegetable, a perfect red. So now we will add masalas, salt as per taste. Then we will add red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, some garam masala and some kitchen king masala for additional twist. Now add some fresh cream for a rich look. Do you know that fresh cream brings additional richness to vegetables? It looks so creamy and tasty. So cover it and cook it for some time. After a few minutes, the oil will start to separate. Then add some water and allow it to cook for 5 to 10 minutes on low flame. Add some kasuri methi. Make sure to crush your kasuri methi. Now cover and rest for 5 to 10 minutes. When the vegetable is ready about 80%, at that time add grated paneer to it. I have used 150 grams of paneer. Mix it well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. See, the vegetable is ready. How aromatic it is. Now garnish it with some coriander leaves and serve hot. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.